Find or read reviews that people are talking about MOJIAJIZERA Smart Watches for men or women. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2.01-inch Full HD display and Bluetooth 5.3. The smart watches for men/women are equipped with a 2.01-inch HD full touch screen, 240x296 high resolution. It offers unprecedented clarity and viewing angles. Features an advanced Bluetooth 5.3 chip that ensures a continuous connection to your smartphone without interruption. Allows you to easily grasp the details of your daily activities on your wrist. This smartwatch is the perfect indispensable companion for your exciting daily life. Answer/make calls and smart notifications. The smartwatch for Android iOS phones with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 tech, it ensures stable and clear call quality, allowing you to answer or make calls effortlessly. Easily synchronize up to 8 important contacts in the address book and save call history. This smartwatches for men can receive text messages and notifications from popular apps like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more, ensuring you never miss important information or news. Comprehensive health monitoring. The smartwatches are equipped with red light high precision sensor, allowing the smartwatch to collect health data more accurately. Monitor your 24-hour heart rate monitoring, real-time blood pressure and blood oxygen saturation detection, sleep monitoring, and other health metrics. Health data and analyze it with AI for total health management on your wrist, help you stay active throughout the day. Data may not be used for medical purposes. 100+ sports modes and IP67 waterproof. This fitness tracker offers over 100 indoor and outdoor sports modes, including walking, running, cycling, skipping, basketball, football, and more, to meet the needs of most sports enthusiasts. It will record your data like heart rate, steps, calories burned, and active hours in real time. Learn more about your health. The smartwatch is designed with IP67 waterproof, so you can wear it during outdoor activities, rainy days, and washing hands. Multifunction and long battery life. The sports smartwatch with AI voice assistant, SMS notification reminder, music playback, multiple sports monitoring, female physiological monitoring and reminder, weather forecast. Remote control photography, sedentary reminder, calculator, alarm, stopwatch, timer, and more. 380 mAh battery capacity can last up to 5 to 7 days in daily use on a single charge, and up to 20 days in standby mode. Get rid of battery anxiety during outdoor sports. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.